Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Asus ExpertBook BR1204F, a laptop tailored specifically for educational environments. Let's explore its design, features, performance, and whether it's the right choice for students and educators alike. The Asus ExpertBook BR1204F is built like a tank, designed to endure the rigors of daily classroom use. It features a compact form factor, weighing just 1.47 kilograms, making it easy to carry between classes. The robust build includes MIL STD 810H military-grade durability standards, ensuring it can handle bumps and knocks that would challenge typical laptops. The 12.2-inch touchscreen, protected by Gorilla Glass, adds an extra layer of resilience, ideal for educational settings. This laptop is packed with features tailored for educational use. It comes equipped with a flip-screen design, allowing it to function as a tablet for interactive lessons or a traditional laptop for note-taking. The keyboard flips under the screen, which not only protects the keys, but also transforms the device into a versatile tool for creative tasks and collaborative learning. The inclusion of a garaged stylus enhances its utility for digital annotation and drawing directly on the screen. Powered by an Intel N2000 processor and Intel UHD graphics, the ExpertBook BR1204F is geared towards everyday educational tasks rather than heavy multimedia editing. It handles office applications and web browsing smoothly, making it suitable for classroom environments. The 8GB of RAM ensures multitasking capabilities, though the base model's 128GB storage may require cloud storage or external drives for larger files. For educators and students, this laptop integrates seamlessly with tools like Microsoft Teams, leveraging its touch capabilities and stylus support for interactive whiteboard sessions. The webcam setup allows for innovative uses, such as document scanning directly from the keyboard when flipped under the screen, enhancing classroom engagement and efficiency. Pros include its solid build quality, versatile flip-screen design, and ease of maintenance and repair, which is crucial for educational IT environments. However, it does have limitations such as modest internal storage and a focus on basic computing tasks, rather than high-end graphics or intensive multimedia editing. The Asus ExpertBook BR1204F shines as a purpose-built educational tool. Its durability, versatility, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for schools looking for reliable technology that enhances classroom learning. While not designed for high-end creative work, its performance and features align perfectly with educational needs, making it a worthwhile investment for educational institutions prioritizing functionality and durability. That wraps up our review of the Asus ExpertBook BR1204F. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and insights on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.